Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be making stuffed pasta shells. As you can see, I have all my ingredients here. I'll leave all the ingredients and the measurements in my description box as well. Let's get started. So first we're going to cook the pasta shells. You're just going to put however much water your pasta shell says on the back to put, and then from there we're going to start cooking the turkey meat, just making sure that it's all the way cooked through, and we're going to season it as well. So you're going to grab your baking dish, spray some cooking spray, and then add half a can of tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce. Then you're going to take your egg, you're going to put that in a bowl, and you're going to beat it. Make sure you get it as much as you can. And then you're going to add your turkey meat, some ricotta cheese, some mozzarella. Everything you see here is what you'll add into your bowl. So now you're going to make sure you stir as much as you can to get those ingredients all mixed up. So now you're going to stuff your shells. You can stuff them as much as you want. I didn't use all of the shells because it was a lot, but it still came out looking very, very delicious and tasting good too. So now you're going to add the other half of your spaghetti sauce on the top, just to get it, you know, a little more saucy. Now you're going to add your mozzarella cheese, and then after that you're going to put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes, and then after that you're done. And we are done. Make sure you guys follow me on social media, send me videos and pictures if you make this recipe yourself, and I'll see you in my next video.